Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to look at a true American legend, the McCulloch Super Pro 125. This was made in Los Angeles, California. This is the 7.5 cubic inch, 123 cubic inch, 123 cc motor. And we'll get some close-up shots of this one. Airbox is in good shape, nice and clean. Has a wrap handlebar. It's in good shape. Got the large falling spikes. And it comes with a 54-inch bar and chain. That's a general bar, roller nose. Chisel bit 52 AJ chain. That's a 404 chain. It has a decompression valve on the back. You just push that button in. Makes the motor spin over easy. Has an automatic and manual oiler. And it's just a very nice McCulloch Super Pro 125. Go outside and make a cut with it now.